sunny day after a whole week of rain. I think we're gonna have to go for a hike today, Jeff. Yeah, you wanna go for a hike? Yeah. Oh yeah. He knows the way better than I do at this point. So, hi guys! Welcome to a vlog today, which I have not done in a while. This reminds me of when I very first started out on YouTube and I was doing walks along the riverbank and talking and getting a feel for what I wanted to do on YouTube. And now I'm back. So it's been kind of a quiet year for me. We've done a lot of stuff this year. I've gotten married last year. We moved to Boston. That was crazy. And the apartment that we had at the time was not very well suited to filming. It was very dark and very nice apartment. Spent an arm and a leg for it, but just not very bright. So now that we just moved back to Maine, I thought I would get into doing more videos because I really enjoy it. I like interacting with you guys and sharing recipes that I like. So we are back at it. Woo. Okay. There are a lot of roots to watch out for. I hope I don't fall. Alright, so today I thought I would film everything I eat to show you guys some of the staple meals I've been making lately. And also whatever I decide to do. I think we really need groceries, and so I'll definitely show you what I get from the grocery store. Right when I got up this morning, I made a cup of coffee with this new pouring method that Charlie really wanted to try. So apparently it's supposed to make the best coffee ever, and I was a little impatient with it yesterday because it took a little bit to figure out how to do it properly. But once I had the coffee, I was like, wow, this is the best coffee I've ever had. It like had no bitterness. I don't know, it just had such a deep flavor. I think because of how much we ground the coffee beans. So I tried it again this morning on my own, and it also came out really good. So lately I've been having like 1 to 2 cups of coffee in the morning and then heading out on a hike. Sometimes I'll take Charlie to the gym too, and then I'll hang around and do some weights with him. But usually we do that in the evening, and that's what we'll probably do today. So I will see you guys back at home for my first meal, and I'm gonna finish this hike with Jeffrey. It's about 45 minutes long, and I'll show you some footage from that as well. Alright, so we are back at home. Jeffrey had a lot of fun out there. And now I'm going to show you how I make this morning green juice. It's very simple. If you haven't noticed, I always like to try to use as few ingredients, but as high quality and nutritious ingredients as possible, just to keep it simple. So this green juice includes some pineapple chunks, lemon juice. Kind of acidic fruits are really good in this juice. Obviously not as good as like a fresh lemon, but sometimes it's more convenient to have bottled lemon juice. And then either half a head or a whole head of romaine. So this has a lot of B vitamins, a lot of minerals, especially potassium, which I like to have in the morning because it kind of just helps your body flush out excess water. And yesterday was Halloween night. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet. And we ended up having some some gluten-free vegan chips and salsa, quite a bit of salt, so I'm kind of feeling like a little bit puffy today, which is fine, but this green juice really helps with that. So first I'm gonna put this into the NutriBullet and strain out the fiber with a nut milk bag. And this is simply for the texture of it. Like normally I love to get in a lot of fiber, but romaine kind of has this weird, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like the fiber when it's blended is very chunky, even like blended smooth with a good blender. And so I just like taking that out so it's a better texture. So I'll show you how I do that. Alright, and this is my green juice kind of smoothie, half and half. It's really good, very bright, very energizing. So we just got a delivery, and opening this up, somebody decided to surprise me with a brand new pan, which we've been really needing. So I have no idea what this is, but it looks pretty cool. Let's see, the stone earth pan. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, beautiful. So let's see. Ultra safe non-stick coating from Germany. No harmful heavy metals, free of whatever these are. Superior non-stick performance. Very cool. So I just gave Jeffrey a bath, and before I go out for groceries, I'm gonna make a smoothie. And I usually like to make it into a smoothie bowl with like some toppings, and so I can actually eat it with a spoon rather than having like just drinks, you know, like the green drink and then a smoothie. But unfortunately I don't have any frozen bananas, so we can't really make a smoothie bowl because it won't be thick enough without frozen fruit. So, oh well, I am just gonna make a basic banana smoothie. Lately I've been adding hemp seeds for healthy omega-3 fats, tons of minerals and protein, and this stuff is amazing. I love it so much, and it's been such a great find because for whatever reason I've tried several vegan protein powders and I get like this weird joint pain like the following day. I've tried Orgain, I've tried Vega, a lot of different ones, and they all kind of give me this weird joint pain and just, you know, upset stomach. So I decided I wanted to try just pure pea protein because it's supposed to be the most easily digested, and it's been working awesome. I really don't mind the texture. The taste is very neutral. This is Anthony's brand, which I really like. You can find big 2-pound bags of so many different products for like really cheap on Amazon. So I can link both of these below if you want to check them out. And then we're gonna add 3 bananas, and for flavor, some PB2. Do you like my space chair? It's very cozy, and Jeff loves it too. You wanna come up, bud? You wanna come up? Come up. Yeah, you wanna come up? You wanna come? You wanna come in? Come here. Come. Good boy. No, he's too distracted by the squirrels outside. Oh my gosh. So this is the first meal of the day, I'd say. Quite substantial. There's about 700 calories in this, so quite a lot of energy, lots of nutrients, lots of healthy fat and protein. All right, I think that's enough groceries, don't you? Alright guys, I just got back from the grocery store. I ended up going to Hannaford's, which is a pretty big grocery chain in Maine. A lot of vegetables, a lot of salad greens, carrots, iceberg lettuce, celery, cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, lots of bananas of course, some almond milk, some diced tomatoes, tomato paste, so we're probably going to make some sort of a chili with all these beans and the tomatoes. And I've bought 5 things of tofu here because I go through a lot every week. Hey guys, we are back at home after getting groceries and I'm feeling a little hungry, so I think it's time for the second meal of the day, which is going to be a nice mixed salads. And so spring mix is my favorite type of lettuce. I just really enjoy dark flavors, dark bitters. Here I've got yellow bell pepper, nice sliced carrots, some cranberry slash raisins, craisins, pecans, and tomatoes. So very colorful, very, very healthy. The dressing that I'm gonna use for this is not a homemade one today, guys. I do like to make my own, but sometimes we just don't have the time. And so I picked this up at the grocery store as well. I forgot to show it. And it's just Italian dressing, light, so there's a little less oil and such. So not the healthiest option, but also not the most unhealthy either. Jeff really loves playing fetch, but he just doesn't like letting go of the ball. Bring it here. Are you gonna bring it here, buddy? Bring it here. Yeah, good. Oh, just about. Yeah. Oh. Hey guys, so you caught me at dinner. I am planning on making some sort of a soup with this leftover pumpkin puree. I used it for the vegan Halloween pumpkin Rice Krispie treats that I made a video for the other day, so I have quite a bit left, and I was just thinking that it would be a good way to thicken a soup. And then I have some spices I think will go really well with it. Curry powder. Yeah, let's do that. Let's try to use curry powder, maybe some extra cumin, and maybe cinnamon. Make it like a really nice autumn soup. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys from my grocery trip today. I put these right in the freezer when I got home, so I forgot to film them. But I got an organic, pesticide-free berry mix with strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. And then mixed vegetables, also organic. So we try to buy organic whenever we can, especially if it's foods that are commonly sprayed with a lot of pesticides. So these are going into our soup. Right now I'm just putting some onions in there. I'm gonna add some celery in a minute. Tofu, I'm kind of just cooking out, drying out a little so the texture's a little chewy to throw in there after. And I'm just gonna keep this soup really simple, so just onions, celery, some of these, and then the pumpkin puree. And while I'm waiting for this all to cook, I'm having some celery with some natural peanut butter. Okay, well here's the soup, guys. I think it turned out really well. We'll see if Charlie likes it. He's not always the biggest fan of tofu, but we'll see. Alright, so the soup was really good, but Charlie apparently doesn't like pumpkin as much as I do, so I actually just ate his bowl, and I really liked it. I'd definitely make it again. And as for tonight, I don't think we're gonna go to the gym because we're both pretty tired from the week, so we're just gonna chill here and play some board games, listen to some music, and have a good Friday night. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you have any suggestions on what I can show in future videos, please let me know. And have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next video.